Welcome, today I am with Soundbar TCL 6100 series and I'm gonna show you how you can plug this soundbar with your TV by using the Bluetooth connection. So at the first we have to grab our remote control and tap on the power button. Right now the LED indicator switch from the red one to the blue one. You can also manage the source input by tapping on this button. And basically we have to end up to the blue one. So when you keep tapping, as you can see, it changed to purple, yellow, green and the blue. So we have to stay on this one. And right now we have to go for the Bluetooth settings on our TV. So we have to simply open the settings. And I can find the Bluetooth settings by going to the sound, additional settings. Oh, maybe not. Oh no, it was here. Never mind. So additional settings, and here there is the Bluetooth audio. So we have to enter, go for the Bluetooth audio devices, and here we have all available devices. So right now we have to wait until our soundbar show on the list. So just wait a few moments. Okay, so as you can see, our device is not available right here, so we can try to refresh. It's still not available, so you have to grab your remote control and press the Bluetooth icon once. Click and hold it right now. Okay, not working, so let's turn off the soundbar, turn it on back. And right now click and hold the Bluetooth button on your remote control. Keep holding. Right now we can release. And let's take a look. Right now, okay. Then the TCL appears right here at the bottom, so we have to select, click to pair and connect. As you can hear, we get this notification sound. It means that we are successfully connected. So let's go back and let's take a look how it sounds. Okay, so as you can see, we are successfully connected. So if you have any problem, like in my case, you have to try to refresh the list or simply turn off and turn on back the soundbar and enter for the pairing mode by holding Bluetooth button on your remote control. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.